What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to be looking at this issue that I have with the Kinhank X5 Pro 4TB version, or it could be any hard drive version. So I discovered this when I was trying to shoot a video for this video game called Dancing Eyes, which is a MAME game, but the insert coin doesn't work. So we'll jump over to the console and we'll have a look. So this is it here. So I'm just going to load up the game, and when this comes up there's an option that you need to do is insert coins. Now usually to insert a coin you press select, so I'm pressing select on here, nothing's happening, nothing is working. Try to press all of the buttons, doesn't work. But solution, what we have to do is the two sort of things here, the L3, R3 button, essentially the joysticks, you press them down, brings up this menu here. Then we need to go into controls further down and port 1 controls. So this is the first controller on this. Now if we go down here we see that select is /auto key R shift, but that doesn't work. So the select doesn't work for some reason. Now what we're going to do is go down, and I'm going to do, which one should I do? I do right stick. So it's right stick auto. You can do left if you want, but I prefer right, so it's like in the right hand and I click that. So we go in here, so instead of R3 what we need to do is change that to select. So that's it done. So we'll go back and then press them both, we'll go back to the game. Now when we're on the game, when it says insert coin, if I can speak, you see in the bottom it's come up, that's accepted. I've got 5 credits now, up to 9 credits. So that's how you get around the insert credits error issue that you're having with the Kinhank X5, or I do believe it should work on any of the other Kinhank ones as well. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments below, and if there's anything else that you want to see on the channel or any issues that you've got with this console I can sort it for you, then let me know. But yeah, until next time, see ya.